I think we're day 41 or 42 or something like that today. Anyway, the sun's shining, so we might try some sort of barbecued chicken, and then if we can, pop it onto the fire pit later. So I'm going to try and marinate it in something nice. Okay, so we're going to be doing the barbecue now. I've got some chopped peppers, courgettes as well. I'm going to do some more courgettes, and then got some halloumi cheese. I'm going to make it into these little skewers here, and then maybe put some lemon or olive oil and just keep it simple and pop it onto the barbecue. Ta-da! We're done. All threaded on these skewers. There we go. Cherry tomatoes, courgettes, halloumi, and some yellow and red peppers. And then I'm just going to drizzle over some oil, so just a little bit on ham, and then we're just going to pop them onto the barbecue. There we go. Really simple. Maybe a bit of pepper, and then that's it. Chicken is ready to finish off on the barbecue. Smells so good. Look at the chicken. What do you think, Virgie? Looks alright? Hungry? Yeah. The numbers at the top are starting to change. 1, 2, 3. That means it's filming. And then film what you want to film. Yeah? You just vote. Oh yeah, and you press it again.